Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you redeem code on Google Play. If you wish to redeem code on Google Play, then you have to follow these steps. Here's what you need to do it. First of all, open up your respective app store and then you want to go to the profile name in the top right corner of your screen. Next, you'll then be taken or you'll be able to see this menu. So you want to go to payment and subscriptions, after which at the bottom you could find this redeem code section, right? Click that out. Here you'll be provided with two different options, either to manually enter in the code or click on scan gift card and place this card in a correct position. Then it's gonna scan it completely and you'll be able to redeem the code as well. So this is how you will be able to do. Likewise, to use the Roblox redeem points, you could either use it as a payment method or getting a subscriptions or purchasing some of the apps or applications available. So that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.